Hey guys, I wanted to give a recommendation for the creditrepairshop.com. You see, I had bad credit and I pretended that it didn't matter, but I struggled a lot with it. And I got to the point where I couldn't do anything anymore because of my bad credit. But the guys at the creditrepairshop.com, they reviewed my credit report and they tackled every item until I didn't have any negative items left and my credit was cleared. So if you're in a similar situation, have bad credit, go to the creditrepairshop.com, sign up with them today. I really recommend checking them out. They did a great job, so thanks guys.